Raider Professional presents Brushless Cordless Chainsaw RDP SBCS20. The brushless cordless chainsaw RDP SBCS20 is a machine from the Raider Pro R20 system series. One battery fits all. It is powered simultaneously by two batteries at a voltage of 40 volts. The chain stretching mechanism is significantly more convenient to operate as no wrench or screwdriver are required, and the hands are located at a safe distance from the sharp cutting elements of the chain. The chain and guide rail are from the leading American company Oregon. RDP SBCS20 is equipped with a powerful brushless electric motor for longer operation and no harmful emissions. The inertia chain brake ensures trouble-free operation of the machine. Low-level vibrations easy to use and does not pollute the environment. Reliable and convenient RDP SBCS20 is ideal for pruning or felling trees of small to medium size, as well as for cutting firewood and for pruning or cutting construction wood.